What is up, guys? Thanks for tuning in. Javier Garcia, your local roofer. I just wanted to show you a roof. Just wanted to show you the difference. If you guys have a roof like this is called cow shake. You could not walk on it. It's very fragile. Basically, if you throw this in a bucket of water, it just falls apart. This one changed the roofing industry, so we're removing it. Go ahead and show you. Just want to show you what it looked like and how vulnerable it is. See, so now it's broken just as soon as you step on it. It's just not good at all whatsoever. Let's replace your roof. Click on the link below or give me a call. Thanks.